What if a video could speak for you, no camera or studio? Meet the AI video avatar. In 2026, businesses use this to create content in minutes. Let's break it down.
AI video avatars are changing how businesses create content. In this video, we'll explore how they work and why they've become everywhere in 2026. So, what exactly is an AI avatar? It's a computer generated digital human that can deliver a script, answer questions, and guide viewers complete with lip sync, expressions, and gestures. You've got two options: a stock avatar picked from a library or a custom digital twin built from your own photo or video. And the best part, no studio, no camera crew, no repeated takes. Just a script in and a finished video out. So, how does this actually happen? It comes down to 5 coordinated technologies. First, script and language processing turns your text into spoken content. Second, voice generation creates natural sounding audio, even cloning a real voice. Third, identity and visual modeling builds the face and body. Fourth, lip sync and animation matches mouth movements and expressions to the audio. And finally, rendering produces the finished video file. Put it all together, and when the avatar can listen and respond too, it becomes a full conversational agent. So, why has this exploded in 2026? 5 big reasons: speed and cost. What took days now takes minutes. Scalability. One script becomes dozens of versions. Consistency. Every viewer gets the same quality. Always on availability, avatars can run 24/7. And improved realism. Lip sync and expressions have gotten dramatically better. The benefits go straight to the bottom line: lower production costs, faster content velocity, consistent branding, easy localization into other languages, higher engagement, scalable personalization, and round the clock availability. That's why sales, training, and marketing teams are adopting this fast. But to get this right, a few best practices matter. Start with a strong conversational script. Keep videos short, 1 to 3 minutes. Match your avatar to your audience. Always review the lip sync before publishing. Add interactivity where you can. Keep your knowledge base updated. Test on both mobile and desktop. And keep iterating based on your data. So, where is this actually being used? Product demos and sales enablement, employee training and onboarding, marketing content, customer support, multilingual localization, and personalized outreach at scale, all without repeating the same video over and over. If you want to try it yourself, the process is simple. Write your script, choose or create your avatar, select a voice, generate the video, then review and publish. And for interactive experiences, you can even upload a knowledge base so your avatar can answer questions live. Here's the bigger picture. Video AI isn't experimental anymore. It's a core production capability. The teams winning in 2026 aren't just making more videos, they're combining realistic avatars, clear messaging, and interactive experiences to move people forward faster.